once you're done with the colors that you have finished up for your target of the day, then you can go through and start to clean. So you can share the sink. You don't turn this faucet on. You're just going to use these big brushes and use the water that's in the bin, and then just gently swirl around that half the palette that is in the water. So you don't need to completely submerge it. Just rotate the palette and use these big brushes. So not the ones that you mix with. It'll take a couple of seconds. And you can see that there's a student next to me who is cleaning her palette, and she has a little bit more paint on, so she's going to keep working on it, but I'm about done. So I don't want you to walk around each other. I want you to say, excuse me, and set the palette on the metal tray, and then walk around so that we don't drip on the floor. So then you can turn this sink on the drizzle, get any excess paint off, and then make sure you check the back because sometimes it oozes and drips out. Put this away, and then you can set that on the tray because you may have a lid to also rinse. And then you can come to the paper towels and dry them off a little bit before you add any extra paint for the next step, because you don't want any water to mix in with the color.